not entering a new how to say, the old one. So I just put a not notation, then go to like others effect lah.
How come only one effect, one cause? Huh?
Because can be not lah. I mean, if not, then means old lah. Enter old password, then what's the password?
Suppose should have more causes, right? Not only this one.
Resetting password on you.
No. To reset the
I'm
user
doing Shopee. I'm doing Shopee.
forgot their password. Forgot password means what is actually
The
um,
forgot password button. Once they click,
okay.
they can reset their password lah. So
Okay.
the first page they will show is like and just enter your new password lah. Not the first page actually. It will require you to key in your fill out
No,
your.
but we have like a sequence, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sequence of things happen, you know.
Yeah.
So we cannot directly say enter new password. It means what you do before that. That is part of this changing password or not.
Oh, okay.
So enter new password alone is not enough for us to test this.
Oh, okay.
Because
No wonder.
before it allow us to enter the new password, what happened? It means when we forgot a password, how we will do the reset? It means there is like you click this button, then it will bring you this. And then with this, like remember our sample of the ATM card
Mm-hmm.
in the lecture slide? It means when we enter the card must be valid. Then only we can proceed to other things
Mm,
until it can give us the cash. So the same thing goes here. When you said enter new password, it means something happened before that. All those things must be passed through. Then only it will come to this stage to enter
oh,
the new password.
okay.
So that's why I was
Because
surprised.
I
How can
focusing
only
on
one course?
because I focusing on just the.
No. We should have the whole function, the step by step.
Oh, okay. So actually, the first page lah, once I click the forgot password lah,
Yes.
then actually it's like fill
So
in
it
my phone
means
number and email.
for us to enter the new password, it means there is other courses need to be valid also, correct? This
Yes.
must be done. This must be done. Then only it will come to this page to give us the part where to enter new password. So it means we need to include all these courses also for some of the effect. For some effect, maybe before this, what happened?
Mm,
Ah,
okay. Got it. Then I just modify and update you next week lah. And this Siwen, are you here, Siwen? Then
mm.
Yes.
Okay. What is it?
what is this? Siwen?
Uh, wait on payment. Payment module is to make a purchase, entering shipping details, and add payment method. So, what function is this? Please indicate it on the top of the table. What function? Payment module. But we have two different function, right? So separate them. Give them the proper naming so that we can know.
You mean name uh
On
below
the
the
yes, correct.
oh sorry, it's not add payment method. I think it's select payment method. I
Another function should be for another table, right? Not here. This one is for which function?
this one is for make a purchase function.
Okay, take out this one. Okay. Mm. Uh, why we have the colon there at the back of the successful checkout voucher not apply? Why we need the colon? Do we need that colon? Is it like there is a continuous statement after that? What it mean by unsupported delivery method, memo ignore, payment failure? Is it like should be an error message to display out, or how the user will know, what user will see? Like we need to put a proper effect. It means like, okay, error message display this, or the system prompt this, you know, because your effect is not clear to see. What voucher not apply means how the user will know the voucher is not applied. What is the effect here? Is it an error message show out? Is there a pop-up of error message happen? So that is actually the effect which you need to clearly mention here, so that when you prepare the test case and when you do the test execution, you know this is what exactly supposed should happen and if it's happening or not. Because a voucher not apply means how it will let the customer to know that the voucher is not applied. Is it just stop working there? Is it showing an error message? Is it something indicated? Do you get what I'm saying? The effect
Yes,
is
I
not
know.
clear. The effect is not clear to see here. You need to make the statement for the effect to be clearly understand one by one what happened. If you say payment failure, how user know it's a payment failure? Do you get? So please
Yes.
modify the effects.
So is it I
Mm.
need to say like
Mm.
the user select an invalid or unsupported payment method, something like that, if for payment failure.
Uh, because you have different types of causes here, right? So
Yeah.
you can break it down one by one. So when this selected, what happened? When it's wrongly selected, what happened? So you can break down your causes, and according to that, what will be the effect? Is it error message pop up? Is it like a notification given? Something like that. So the
Oh,
statement
so
for the effect is not clear.
the payment failure is too general, like I didn't
Yes,
specify
correct.
out. So I need to
So
write
when
like
you do the test case execution later, what you expect to see? When you put payment failure, what exactly the system showing to us? That is what you need to write here.
oh, okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
thank
please
you.
modify it first. Okay.
Okay.
Miss,
Mm.
I got a question actually.
Yeah.
For just now, this one
Mm.
right actually got an effect. Did we write the effect for expected or actual?
This is what do you mean expected or actual? We don't know what is actually going to happen yet, right?
Oh, so it's expected lah.
Yeah, it means based on the functionality, this is what will happen. Is it going to happen? We will prove it later when the test case
Oh.
execution happen.
So based on functionality, logically, how it will
Yes,
happen lah.
yes, correct.
Okay, okay, okay.
Mm.
I got one more. And then next we Shanghai. Oh wow. Shanghai.
Yeah, hello. Means
Mm.
my course one is payment information and the error. So like this can
Sorry, come again.
payment information and the error for the customer support.
Okay. Not entry errors. Uh, what it mean by an errors here?
Uh the customer enter their information error lah, like the payment bank account for the card.
Okay, so when you said payment information entry errors, it is a very general cause, You
Mm,
actually need to break it down. What you mean by the information here? Maybe, for example, like we said, credit card. So
mm,
credit card number is wrong, or credit card number is not exist. a credit card number is using wrong format. So you need to break the causes, because each of these causes there is different effect can be shown. So you cannot just say payment information entry errors. No, we cannot do like that. We need to have a proper breakdown what you mean by this payment information one by one.
Also, I have to write
Hmm.
down like customer enter wrongly the bank account number like that.
Ah, ah. So
Okay.
if you don't want to put the full statement like customer enter wrongly, if you don't want to put full statement also is okay. But as long we understand that, okay, wrong account number, or
Oh,
maybe invalid account number, something.
okay.
So when you said cost, right? For example, enter valid account number. You don't need to write again enter invalid
Valid.
account number. You just use the not to
Okay.
make it in the opposite way. So you just write one cause and then you can use the not symbol to make it in the opposite.
Mm.
Correct?
And the second one is incompleted or ambiguous issue description in support ticket.
Um, can we just use one word? Why we need all there?
More
Can we
detail.
just use incomplete? Hmm?
Okay, okay.
Mm. Because when it comes to this or, it can be causing many things. So that's why
Oh,
we don't want the or.
okay.
Mm.
And the third one is system error in refund processings.
Sorry, come again.
System error in refund processings.
What it mean by system error?
The
Is it a cause? System error, is it a cause? I thought system error means it's a effect, right?
okay, okay.
Ah, ah.
Okay. And the next one is attempts of self-service option for command issues. The
Sorry,
self-service is
sorry. Can I know what is the function again? What is the function?
customer support.
Customer support. I mean, what is the function? Customer service module. Okay, what is the function? What function you are testing here? Can I see again? Where is the function? Submit a
Mm,
support ticket.
mm.
Okay, go back to that table. Okay, for those who done, it's already past 6. You can leave the session. No need to be waiting. Let me settle with them. Okay, where?
C4.
Absence of self-service option for common issue. Uh, Sorry, what is this absence of self-service option?
Like customer service, something
Hmm.
sometimes they will provide some common issue customer face, right? So if my issue the don't have inside this option, so I have
Okay,
to write down.
okay. So now, when you said absent of this option, do
Mm.
we have any effect for that? Do we
Need
have any special effect for that? Effect. Because your cost kind of like too many, but the effect, when I will check this C4. When I will check this C4. Can I know?
uh increase support ticket volume lor,
Increase support ticket volume.
and increase support inquiries. Increase.
Wait, our function is we want to submit a support ticket, correct?
Mm. Mm.
So for me to do this submit of support ticket, how this C4 is needed?
How?
How this C4 is needed? Do you get my question?
Not really.
Okay, submit. a report. I mean, sorry, submit a support ticket for me
Mm,
to do the submission, right?
mm,
Um, submit a support ticket means I'm having an issue and
mm,
then I need to submit this support ticket, is it?
yes.
By indicating what is the problem, correct?
Mm, mm, yeah.
Okay. So this list of the causes, is it an option of what type of problem? Like
Mm,
C1, C2, C3, C4. Is it option of what type of issue I face? Because I don't understand the C1 until C4 here, what it's doing about the submission of support ticket.
mm,
Can I see the system? Can I, you guys are testing Shopee, right?
mm,
Mm, testing Shopee. Where is this option? Can I know where is this option on the Shopee? Let me check on my app.
mm.
Support service module means where can I see it?
Wait,
Hmm. Because I'm a bit confused here. Help center, is it?
yes.
Why it's not even opening? Okay. So Shopee My Help Center. Then where is it?
Miss, my Shopee cannot open. Wait,
Yeah, it's actually kind of loading also.
yeah.
I think their server got issue. Uh, on this.
Miss, do you see that in FAQ there? Got
Okay.
protections, payments there.
Okay. Shop with Shopee payment, order shipping, return
Yeah.
and refund, all this, right?
Mm.
Okay. So where is this? What is that? Support ticket. How we do that? Sorry, I have never used all this before. I think Shopee is having issue. It's not allowing to open.
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. Because it's a bit confused for me. I thought submit a support ticket means
Mm.
we directly select something and then we need to enter any details and then we will submit. So this C1, C2, C3, C4, it's kind of like what type of issue I'm facing.
Uh,
So is it correct what I'm thinking? It's something like, okay, the issue is on the payment information wrongly entered. There is incomplete of description, and then there is a refund. I mean, system error in the refund, or there is no self-service options. So is this like type of issue being faced for the customer to submit a support ticket? So it's a bit confused on this C1 until C4.
mm,
So that's why I want to know. And actually, your C8 is more to edit or update the support ticket. But here we talk about submitting for the first time, right?
mm,
Ah, so Why I feel like the list of courses here is something is not okay. So normally for this one function, okay, you have selected the customer service module and we have this submit support ticket. So when we say courses, it meant for us to do this submission ticket. What are the courses? And due to this course, what will be the effect? Is it successfully submit the support ticket? Is it prompt error message? Is it giving any different type of effects due to these courses? So that is what we want to see for this function. So submit support ticket means I assume that we are submitting a new, I don't know, like a, is it like a complaint or something? Support ticket, right? Because we are facing an issue, so we want to get the issue to be settled by this Shopee. Correct? So it's kind of like a bit confused for me when I see the courses. Do you get what I'm saying? Can you please check again? Try to see again on the Shopee app
Mm.
if the courses which you list down here is correct for that function or not.
Okay.
So
Okay.
next week we will meet for practical in the morning because next week in the evening we will have midterm, right? So maybe you can confirm with me.
Okay.
Please do the checking again because I'm not very familiar with this support site on the Shopee, so I don't know how to check it also. Okay?
Um, okay. Miss,
Mm.
if I don't have this function, can I change to the Shopee My Help Center inside that one?
What do you want to change? To change to what? Which one you want to change now?
This submit support ticket, this one for
Because in
this.
the list here, I'm seeing three operations: submit a support ticket, live
Mm.
chat with support, and then refund and return. Is it? Or is
Yes.
it live chat with support? Oh, refund and return is another operation. Is it?
Mm.
Um, you pick the two which is easy for you to understand and easy for you to do the testing, because you need to understand it clearly so that you can come up with this technique. If no means it will be problem.
Okay.
Choose which one, which two you want to use.
Hi, Miss. 这种也是你看，看啊，不要 Miss。
Hello，
Hi Miss。
下个星期吧你。
I'm Lim。哎，
对，老师错。
哎呦，
哎，其他的钟还在里面。哎，
阿星
听你
约我一同吃饭了。
呀，
吃饭。
喂，
上课睡觉，所以没有出去啊，好像可以走了吗？
为什么讲吃饭？老子游戏啊！
是啊，老师都走了。
我就
回家，全部回家喂。
老师看近嘛，老师。
你等你叫我的时候，整个人他在讲我什么？
没有人上，我当然怕发你知道的。哎，我们 check 下先哦。那我在那边问你们，没有人应我。
Oh, sorry, my network is disconnected.
It's
Okay.
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 You got the last person.
Miss,
Hmm.
last, for the product module, for
Okay.
my function is add new product, seller.
Sorry, come again. Add
Add
new
new product.
product. Okay,
Yeah.
seller. Okay.
And so C1 is fill in the name, C2 description,
Mm.
and then C3 price, and C4 is stock, and then C5 insert the image.
What it mean by enter the price of the product valid? Why
Oh,
the
because
product valid is at the back? All this.
because the cost effect graph, I got add a knot there, so I
No, no,
put a
no. I
value.
mean, your statement is not correct. Why the valid is at the back?
Or the sentence lah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Suppose we are referring to a valid name, valid description, right?
Yeah.
So please put the
Okay.
statement
Okay.
correct. Mm.
And then one. And then C6 is the select the category lah of the product.
Mm.
And then C7 is the submit the whole to check whether is it valid lah, all the information.
Mm, mm.
If valid, then
So
the
invalid means we are going to have separate error messages for each of it, correct?
yeah.
Mm. Okay.
And then then scroll down a bit. And then the E8, this is the E8 is if all the information is valid, then it will upload successfully.
Okay.
And then the cause effect graph is like this. So if all is valid, then valid E8. E8 is correct. And for each of them got each error.
Wait, can I see back the E1? E1 is what?
You want to store in the draft.
Oh, okay. Go back. So when any of it, is it?
Yeah, all.
Okay.
And then for E8 is N, no? They all must valid lah all if to upload successful.
Okay.
Yeah, and then still got the decision table. For the test case one, or because it's all is it need to list 7 more the test case for each of them?
Okay, because it's all right.
Yeah.
Because if we put test case one like this, right? Like this, it's actually when all of it is failed, is false.
Oh, N, because
It's considered uh like and logic, all must happen together.
so I must add 7 more test cases. Oh, yes.
Uh,
For all.
Unfortunately, yes.
Okay. So I think that's all for my part. Others is correct lah.
Because
Okay.
it is all logic, right? So cannot be in one test case.
Okay. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, so left this one, the entry and exit criteria.
So this should be follow of what we discussed today, this morning.
Yes.
What it mean by test team and training, test tool and frameworks, test data privacy and security? Why we have two?
Which one?
Yeah, 2, 3, 4.